Okay, guys, so Queen went back home to celebrate her mom's birthday, and she surprised her mom with a brand new car.
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear mama. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Come on, Mom. Oh. Come on, Mama. Mama slippers. Pink slippers. Ooh. Oh. That's that Benz, baby. That's that Benz, baby. That's that Benz, baby. Oh yeah. That's that Benz. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my God. 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 Oh my slippers. What that is?
Okay.
That right there.
Okay, then. Okay, then. Can I get a test drive? Let me test drive it.
Oh my God.
Oh, man.
Happy birthday! Yes, Queen did that. Queen did that. That part. She got her mama whatever she wanted. You hear me?
Oh,
Be mad.
man.
Hey,
Ooh,
that part.
look at that. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, we riding presidential, baby. We riding presidential. Ooh. Panoramic. Oh. Woo. Period.
You gotta go back and he'll show you everything what to do with the car.
Yeah, I hope I don't have to take time learning.
Oh my goodness. Mama, I'ma get you together. Mom, I'ma get you together. I know I'ma get you together.
I'm trying to get the fuck out.
Hey, we chilling. We riding presidential. We riding presidential. We is riding.
First of all, I need a seat in this motherfucker too because they taking up seats shit. I need.
Queen stated, I put my mom in a Benz tonight for her birthday. Felt good to see those happy tears. Now, this is just awesome. I know this is the car that her mom always wanted. And if you guys remember when Queen first bought her mom the car that she just had, Queen stated that she tried to get her a Mercedes, but her credit wasn't good enough. So she had to settle for what she had. So I'm so glad that Queen was able to get everything together and surprise her mom with her dream car. This is just awesome for Miss Reva. She totally deserved it. And I know Queen feels so good being able to put her mom in her dream car. I mean, there's no better feeling than being able to provide for the people that you love when you make it. It's like a different type of feeling when you're able to do things for your parents and your grandparents and your loved ones and things like that. It just gives you this good feeling. Anyways, let me know what you guys think about this down in the comment section below.